So this Dutch apple cake is also a cold one, unlike the one that I had in Norfolk, Wales, where it was warm all over. It has a little bit more cinnamon in it and it's warmer, so it has that. And it was a cold day, so that made it feel really special. Hi boss, favor, I'm a sketcher. Is it okay if I go to the back and make a sketch of those buildings? Yeah, thank you so much, thank you. So nice of them. So these are the little piers. So I've moved up to the third jetty. It's a better view because those things over there were obstructing the view. Yeah, here we go. I can already see the shadow from that building there, the grasshopper creeping up. So let's make some art. Just want to say thank you to everyone who has been following my work, who has been commenting and who has been encouraging me here on this independent journey. It has given me a lot of motivation to make these videos. Yeah, the more views I get, the more energy I get to make more. So guys, that was it. Apparently the owners had to close the gate, so I had to leave. This is interesting because my cousin and I were talking, and when I told him, yeah, I give myself 30 minutes for a sketch or maybe 3 hours, and he goes, you give yourself a time limit? So yes, I do. About 5% of the time I have unlimited time to sketch. There's always something else to do. If a cafe is closing up, if the sun is setting, there's always something to prevent me from painting all day. I haven't seen anyone yet here in Amsterdam. I should be seeing lots of sketches, but I haven't, so I'm gonna just walk around and then see whether I meet others. First, I'm gonna have to go wash my hands. So real quick, Chloe, Alexandra, Alan, and Daniel, yeah. So we're gonna sketch pancakes right now. When in Holland, sketch pancakes. We've decided to all sketch that one, which is cool because it's gonna be the first time that I can eat mine while I sketch.